Let's dive right into Halloween. This is my favorite time of the year, clearly. And these 5 products from Amazon are going to elevate your spooky season celebrations. Of course, I'm gonna save the best for last, so make sure you watch to the end. Coming in at number 5 are these plastic bats. These are an easy and affordable way to add a spooky element to anywhere in your home. I decorate my walls and even my kids' playhouse with these bats. They are my favorite. So you get 120 of these bats, and in these 4 different styles. Large, which I call like large Batman, medium Batman, small Batman, and this really fun one is my favorite. It looks like it's like flying Batman. And all of the bats have these little creases in the wings that you can fold them to shape their wings in any way you want. And when they're put on a wall, they look so 3D. These bats are not paper, they're made of waterproof PVC, which makes them durable, especially when you're trying to reuse them Halloween to Halloween. Before I bought these, I used to make my bats out of construction paper, and I could never keep them nice for the next Halloween. After you hang these up, if you walk by them or you have a window open and a breeze goes by, they actually kind of flutter with any breezes, and it's really cool and just adds like a really fun spooky element. Pro tip, when you're trying to hang these up, use command strips so you don't cause any damage to your walls. At number 4, these Halloween cards. These cards are simple, they have really fun designs, and they're blank on the inside. So you can personalize any message you want, whether it's for your coworkers, your kid's classroom, or just to send out to family and friends. Or you can create really fun DIYs like this Frankenstein handprint I did with my kids last year. You get 36 cards with 6 designs and purple envelopes to put them in. The cardstock feels really premium quality. The designs, high printed quality. The designs are so fun and simple. They're all different, yet they all have a very similar tone. And I just love the use of all your typical Halloween colors, black, orange, purple, little candy corns. And at number 3 are these floating candles with a wand remote. Whether you're a Harry Potter fan or not, these floating candles add a magical element to any of your spaces. I hung these candles in my hallway during last Halloween and they looked so good. So I got the 20 pack of the warm white candles and it comes with this wand remote. Battery operated and they create a very realistic flicker. And this wand remote turns them on and off with just a swish and a flick, AKA the push of a button. And so to hang these candles, you're gonna thread the fishing line through the candle, make sure you add a battery, and use command hooks to stick them right to your ceiling. And with a wave of your wand and push of a button, you'll turn them on. When they're all up floating, they create the most magical atmosphere, and you can even use these for Christmas. Pro tip. Make sure your magic is full and that they illuminate before hanging them to your ceiling. And coming in at numbers 2 and 1, because they're similar products but different sizes, are these flickering pumpkin lights. These lights add a flameless flicker to your real and faux jack-o'-lanterns. Nothing beats a candlelit jack-o'-lantern, but these lights come really close. These are my favorite. I've tried a bunch of different lights and these ones knock the others out of the park. They're battery powered and remote operated. I like to use these lights because they're a safe alternative to candles, especially with my young kids running around. So you can dim these lights to a low setting, or you can brighten them to a pretty high setting. They flicker, and you can also set them to a steady light, so there's no flicker. And you can even put them on a timer. I bought this large white one last year. They come in a pack of 2, and they're really good for large jack-o'-lanterns, like my terracotta pumpkin. I bought these smaller ones back in 2019, and now I have 4 of them. And because you can dim these or brighten them to whatever setting you want, these have been great for every single size of jack-o'-lantern that I've tried, big and small. I use these mostly for my faux and terracotta pumpkins, but here's a look at some of my real pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns over the years. If you love spooky season, I know you will love each of these products for Halloween. My favorites are the floating candles and the pumpkin lights. Oh, and the bats. The bats are really good too. Find all of these right now on Amazon. The links are down in the description. Oh, my sweatshirt. I got this embroidered sweatshirt off of Etsy. Link is also below. If you're looking for somewhere else to go, I suggest watching some of these videos. This one's really good. And if you had a product that stuck out to you the most, let me know in the comments. Happy haunting.